Hello everyone. I hope everybody is doing great and you all are practicing those phonic sounds which I taught you. Because if you keep practicing them daily, they will definitely help you in improving your pronunciation. And today I will teach you about the sounds of the alphabet G. So let's see the sounds of letter G. G softens to a J sound when followed by E, I and Y, same as in the case of letter C, if you remember my last class. Now let's see the first case. When G is followed by E, it gives us the J sound as in gender, Gender. So it's giving us the J sound, gender. See the second example, it's general, generation, George, Genesis. All these examples you can clearly see that the G is followed by E. See the second case. When the letter G is followed by I, here if you see, it again gives the sound of J as in ginger, giraffe, giant, gigantic. Now in the third case, if you see, G is followed by Y. Again this gives the sound of J. Gym, gym, gymnastic, Egypt, astrology. Now when G is at the end of a word, it gives G sound. See here. Here EGG. So in these examples you see that the G is at the end of the word. So it will give us the G sound as in egg, MUG, mug, bug, hug, rug and jug. Now let's see the third case. If the word begins with G and is not followed by E, I and Y, then the G will give G sound. See, we have seen in the second case that the G is at the end of the word. When the G is at the end of the word, it will give G sound. And in this case, if the G is in the beginning of the word, it will again give the G sound. Let us see the example. G-O, go. Here you can see that the G is at the beginning of the word. Got, gain, goat and gorilla. So I hope you all understood the sounds of the alphabet G and also the C sounds and the phonic sounds which I taught you. All I request you is to keep on practicing at least for 10 minutes every day so that they will really help you in English pronunciation for you. That's all for today. Thank you.